Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about exactly what to do when Resolve says your media is offline. Let's jump over and do it. So here we are in Resolve, and I just had a clip in here that is offline. It's not able to connect to the original file. And so what do you do in this instance? Is your footage gone? No, it's not necessarily gone. You might have moved the footage in the folder because, again, these projects are kind of database driven, so they just look back to where they were linked in the first place. It's not gone. You just have to find it. So if you're dealing with one clip that's doing this, what you're going to do is over here in the media pool, you're going to right click on that file, and then you're going to come down to link full resolution media. All right, once you click this, you're gonna navigate in your Finder window or folder window if you're on Windows. You're gonna navigate to the area where you last had the footage. So in this case, what all I did is I actually drug this clip. You can match the numbers here. I drug it out of the folder it was in, which was A-roll, and I just kind of put it out here, which unlinked the media. So obviously, if you notice that you maybe moved the footage or a clip, out of the folder that you originally had it in when you imported it, you can just drag it back and it'll link up. But in most cases, what's happening is your footage is just mislinked because you moved things around on the hard drive, or maybe you swapped computers and you want to be able to relink things. All you do is come select it and hit open, and it'll relink that file. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm going to show you another way. If you have a bunch of clips in your project or a bunch of, elements, it might be design stuff, it might be, images, it can be anything, any files. If they're unlinked and there's a bunch of them, you don't want to go one by one. That's really frustrating. So pro tip here, you want to link them all at once. Up here in the left, there's this little chain link icon, and that needs to be clicked because that will link everything. So let's click this, and it's going to pop up on your screen the missing files. Obviously in my project right here, it only has one missing clip, but I've dealt with projects before that have over 200 missing clips because I moved computers from the work office to the home office. All you do in here is when this pops up, you're going to locate. So you can just hit locate, and then it'll open up a window where you can search through to find your kind of project file where all your stuff is at. Otherwise, if you have things all over your hard drive, maybe you have like a B-roll folder or, an effects folder or graphics folder that are just general and they're not with your project files, then you can use the disk search, and this will search your entire hard drive. Now this will take a lot longer, but this will search your entire hard drive, and I'm going to cancel that because it's going to take a while. It'll search your entire hard drive and, find the files and link them back up. So again, you can hit locate here, or if it's just one file, right click, link full resolution media. And once you get over to the folder, you just click the media file and hit open, and it's gonna relink your footage just like that. So hopefully this was helpful. And if it was, hit subscribe, comment below on any other videos or ideas or questions you have about DaVinci Resolve, and I will see you in the next one.